Question number 1. What is the next number in the series? The right answer is option C, 32. Question number 2. If 3x plus 2 is equal to 11, what is the value of x? The right answer is option B, 3. Question number 3. Which number is the odd one out? The right answer is option B, 12. Question number 4. What is 15% of 200? The right answer is option C, 30. Question number 5. What is the sum of the angles in a triangle? The right answer is option B, 180 degrees. Question number 6. Find the LCM of 6 and 8. The right answer is option C, 24. Question number 7. What is the square root of 144? The right answer is option C, 12. Question number 8. Which of the following is a prime number? The right answer is option C, 29. Question number 9. What is the value of pi in 2 decimal places? The right answer is option B, 3.14. Question number 10. Convert the fraction 3/4 to a percentage. The right answer is option D, 75%.